You're watching Big Explainer, the biggest explainer in the world. Crops are increasingly grown in monoculture, meaning that if, as in the historic Great Famine of Ireland, a single disease overcomes a variety's resistance, it may destroy an entire harvest, or as in the case of the Gros Michel banana, may cause the commercial extinction of an entire variety. In 2016, 29% of wild relative plant species were completely missing from the world's gene banks, with a further 24% represented by fewer than 10 samples. Over 70% of all crop wild relative species worldwide were in urgent need of further collecting to improve their representation in gene banks, and over 95% were insufficiently represented with regard to the full range of geographic and ecological variation in their native distributions. The modern global standard diet contains an increasingly large percentage of a relatively small number of major staple commodity crops, which have increased substantially in the share of the total food energy, protein, fat, and food weight that they provide to the world's human population, including wheat, rice, sugar, maize, soybean, palm oil, and sunflower. Other crops have declined sharply over the same period, including rye, yam, sweet potato, cassava, coconut, sorghum and millets. The availability of water, soil pH level, and temperature similarly influence crop growth. Diversity within a crop includes genetically influenced attributes such as seed size, branching pattern, height, flower color, fruiting time, and flavor. Crops can also vary in less obvious characteristics such as their response to heat, cold, a drought, or their ability to resist specific diseases and pests. Both farmers and scientists must continually draw on the irreplaceable resource of genetic diversity to ensure productive harvests. While genetic variability provides farmers with plants that have a higher resilience to pests and diseases and allows scientists access to a more diverse genome than can be found in highly selected crops. Agricultural ecosystems function effectively as self-regulating systems provided they have sufficient biodiversity of plants and animals. Traditional systems also maintain diversity within a crop species, such as in the Andes Mountains where up to 50 varieties